Well, hi everyone, new video time. Well, I dare say everyone will be pleased, no doubt, to know that I found the front door of the doll's house yesterday. And guess where it was? There it is. There it is, the front door of the doll's house, okay? And guess where that was? I bet you can't guess where that was. In the recycling bag in the kitchen. And Rice took the recycling down later in the day. It's a good job I went through it, isn't it? It was inside a cardboard box that was full of packing material, so you wouldn't have seen it unless you took everything out. Which I did, and it made my day, it really did. I've been worrying about it all week. So, there we go. Now, this car on the turntable here is a Mettoy Fire Chief car, friction drive, well, supposedly with siren. Now, of course, looking for Mettoy parts for the doll's house, because that's what the doll's house is, Mettoy Tinplate in 1/24 scale. Looking through, couldn't find anything as I would have expected, but came across this Fire Chief car. Looking further through the listings, I found another Fire Chief car, also not working, for £50. Okay, this one cost me £5, so I think that's good, don't you? Of course there's a lot wrong with it, isn't there? A lot wrong with it, but it's going to be fun. So this is number 3322. Okay, you can see the fireman in the windows there. I don't know why it is that there's one fireman with a helmet and another fireman with a red cap on. What's that all about? Does anyone know? There you go, you can see them in the windscreen there as well. Fireman with helmet, fireman with red uniform and red cap driving. I have no idea what that's all about. I've never seen a fireman like that with a red cap and a red uniform. It's British though, isn't it? So why haven't I seen a fireman like that? Who knows? Anyway, it says Chief on the bonnet there. It says Fire Department on the doors. And on the back, I'll have to wait a bit because I don't know what it says because I can't remember. Yeah, it says Fire Chief and then MT3322. Okay. Now then, there's a lot wrong with it, as I say. Hopefully it won't be too much of a problem. The rust you can see is just surface rust. That's not a problem at all. I can sort that out. The roof is caved in at the front. You can see that there. It's sort of caved in there. That's not a problem either. That can be sorted out. This came yesterday in the post. So yeah. Yeah, as always, with these friction drive cars, this is a 1950s one. As always with these cars, we have the usual problem, don't we? There's the base, rubber wheels. They're not like rubber now, of course, are they? Front wheels turn. I suppose that's something. Not quite sure what this bar is going across here. A lot of Mettoy cars have steerable front wheels, but this one I don't think so, because there's no way for the wheels to turn, is there? But I don't understand what that's for. And then of course the back wheels, well, they did turn a bit yesterday, but now they don't turn at all. So yeah, they did turn a bit yesterday. Don't know, seized, but not quite. So anyway, all I have to do here to get the base off this is to unbend these corner bits here, you see, there they are, the corner bits there, front and back corner bits. Get that base off, see what's going on. That'll be fun, won't it? I think so. That's what I wrote in the feedback for it. Another one for the workbench, this will be fun. That's what I wrote. So I think it will be fun, actually. I'm looking forward to this. I think that's 1/24 scale as well, don't you? Incidentally, the car from last week's video is not an Austin A35, it's an Austin A50. I did a lot of research into it. I did find another one on eBay for £60, but not the same colour, with a broken motor, so I think I did alright with that. I really do. Considering I got the car and the house and a bunch of furniture for £18, I can't complain, can I? So anyway, I'm going to be doing some more videos today to be released over the next few weeks, and you can see the house then. I'll see where it came. Well, I'll get into that later. Anyway, that'll do for now then. So thanks everyone. Bye!